Hi guys, yup, you heard it right. Only girls can hear this sound. But before I play this sound, I have some crazy challenges for you. So are you ready for these challenges? Okay, let's start. Challenge 1. Which light bulb is plugged in this image? Give your answer in next 5 seconds. Now challenge 2. Is this bag blue or green? Give your answer in next 7 seconds. Now here is challenge 3. Can you spot the mistake here in this image? Like the video if you find the mistake. Now challenge 4. Guess the fruit by emoji in 5 seconds. Subscribe if you guessed it right. Now challenge 5. What is inside this circle? Give your answer in 5 seconds. As you already read in the title and thumbnail of this video, only girls can hear this sound. Yup, the sound which I am going to play here can only be heard by girls. So here is the sound. Can you hear something or not? If you hear it, you are most likely to be a girl. So guys, don't forget to comment girl if you heard something. So guys, don't forget the end of this video because I have an amazing emoji quiz for you. So let's start the emoji quiz. The romantic movies by emoji. Are you ready? Let's get started. The Princess Bride. The Notebook. Twilight. Eat, Pray, Love. Monsoon Wedding. Princess Diaries. Autumn in New York. The Wedding Singer. Titanic.